Welcome back to Growth TV. I'm Carolyn Vallejo, and with me today is Rheem Mullin, who is Manager of Corporate Development at Rheem Manufacturing. So, Ryan, we constantly hear from strategic buyers that the M&A landscape is very competitive, especially when going up against private equity acquirers. How is the landscape shaping up in the last few months or so?
Yeah, so the deal market has been a little slower compared to the past couple of years. So there's not many deals in market, and a lot of the sellers are trying to just wait to make sure valuations are right, and et cetera, et cetera. But corporates are actually in prime position because of the debt market, right? Private equity, they need to use debt to facilitate and leverage their deals, where corporates, we can invest off our balance sheet. So that should give us the benefit and a hand up on private equity, but private equity is creative and they have a lot of dry powder, so they should be able to come up with some good ideas to stay competitive with us.
Yeah, definitely. So, there is kind of a stereotype about strategics that they can be slow to get deals done. In your experience, in your opinion, is that true?
It's not true, but I hear it a lot. I'm on the board of ACG New York, and I lead the Strategic Acquirers Committee there, as well as here at DealMax. And that's something that we're trying to correct, right? And it starts way before the deal starts. It starts with getting to know bankers and sellers and having your team. The key is the team, right? It's having the playbook that's repeatable and executable. So you need to make sure that there's alignment with your business units, with your legal, tax, HR, and also your service providers, whether it's quality of earnings or working with outside counsel. So we're working on changing that, and at Rheem, we have the team to do it.
Yeah, let's talk about how you keep your corp dev team competitive. What are some strategies or tactics that you use?
Yeah, so a lot of it's getting to know the bankers and getting to know the companies that are for sale, letting them know that we can be flexible and work with them. If they want to hold the company a little longer, we can wait on the sidelines. Being a privately held company, we have such a long-term outlook that we can do that. If it's structure, if they want a certain structure, we can work with them. Is it 100% acquisition? Is it 75% acquisition? Is it 51% acquisition? And we'll just work with them to make whatever works for them work for us.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Well, it definitely sounds like you're changing the reputation of strategics for the better.
Doing our best. That's why we're here today, right?
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for joining Growth TV.
Thank you.